Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1974 DeTomaso Pantera L. It's a beautiful low miles car. It's got a Clevor motor in it. It's the same use as the Boss. So basically this one's a 351 tall deck, dark black. It's bored and stroked, 440, 700 horsepower. And then it's got aluminum chai heads. They're 351 Cleveland heads and machined and port matched. This thing sounds just incredible. It's got Holley fuel injection. It starts right up, nice and easy. Got these badass custom wheels. These are 355, 35, 17s. Tons of meat on the ground. A very beautiful stainless steel exhaust system built by Paul's Rods and Customs. About 200 miles on the restoration of this car. Really nicely done. $26,531 original miles. One of my absolute favorite cars. Do have the original motor too. I love how the bumpers and everything are murdered out to match. Just a beautiful work of art, it really is. It's got a McLeod clutch. Four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes. Car stops on a dime. There she is. Here's the original air cleaner. Beautiful plush carpet back here too. So nice. This was all professionally done too. It's got the Edelbrock high-rise intake, aluminum intake. Man, look at these headers. Beautifully done. This diamond patterning and everything is so nice. It's a chai, actually, intake. C-H-I. Car sounds so nice. Beautiful interior. Finished in black and white. All stitched in, leather. Power windows, power mirrors. It's a 5-speed ZF train. You can put the Sniper EFI wherever you want, pretty much. It hasn't been installed yet. $26,531 miles. Man, this car sounds so good. exotic, this car. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, so weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.